Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your password in Picsart account using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the Picsart app on your device and log in with your account if necessary. Once you're inside, click on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner and then from your profile section, tap on the pencil button at the top left. Here you can go ahead and update your profile settings. Go ahead and select password from the menu and enter your current password in the next field. After typing down your password, click on next at the bottom. On the next page, create a new password and confirm the new password by retyping it again in the respective text boxes. Finally, click on change once done. After tapping on change, you'll be able to change your password on Picsart. Next time you log in or when needed, you'll need to use the new password. And that's it. By updating your Picsart password, you ensure your account stays secure while continuing to create amazing arts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.